So this is a HP G1600. Added a 12 volt power supply with the specs right there. Kind of see how it's wired right here. Then the last three are 120, and that cord just goes to an outlet. And ran a few games and it seems fine. It's just hooked up to a little 6-pin right here, even though it's an 8-pin connector. These two aren't really going to anything.